Hi guys! Today I'm going to share with you on how to add playlists on Watch Later in bulk or in one shot by using your desktop. So first is open your browser, which is your Google Chrome. Alright? And then search for good old YouTube extension. Okay? Click it, good old YouTube. Then next is add it to your Chrome. Alright? Then click add extension. Okay, so as you can see guys, that good old YouTube has been added to your Chrome. The next is click new tab, search YouTube, alright. Then click YouTube. As you can see guys, that on my left side, I have no watch later library. It is because I have no videos yet saved on my watch later. So if I want to save videos on my watch later in bulk or in one shot, what I did is I first search for the YouTube channel that I wanted to watch. Let's say I want to watch videos from Research Life. Okay, so let's search for Research Life. Okay, then click it, go to playlist, then search whatever playlist that you wanted to watch later. So suppose I want to watch all these 5 videos on do-it-yourself cleaning agent, and I want to uh, add them all in one shot, not by one. So what I'm going to do is to click the title, all right? And as you can see guys, that on the right side, there is an add all to. Then as you can see guys, there is a library watch later over here. So I'm expecting that if I put a tick on watch later, all the 5 videos from Research Life will all be added to my watch later library. So let's tick it out. All right. As you can see guys, there is already a watch later library or tab has been added on my left tabs here. Okay. So let's see. Okay, click watch later. Okay, so as you can see guys, that all the 5 videos from Research Life has all been added to watch later library of Miko. Okay, let's try to play them all. Okay, so as you can see guys, all the videos from Research Life has all been here on my watch later and it's now playing. So that's all guys. I hope you learned something today, and if you think that this video tutorial is beneficial to you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. That's all and goodbye. Thank you.